In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule recurring transactions in QuickBooks Online. If you handle the same invoices, deposits, or expenses every week or month, setting them to recur can save time and keep your books consistent. Let's walk through it together so you can set it up once and let QuickBooks do the heavy lifting. Start by going to the New button in the top left of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. From the list that appears, choose the type of transaction you want to repeat. This could be an invoice you send to a client on a regular schedule, a routine deposit you record, or a recurring expense like rent or a subscription. Pick the one that fits what you need. Now fill out the transaction just like you normally would. Enter the customer or vendor, choose the correct accounts or products and services, add a description, and confirm the amount and any taxes. Think about what should stay the same every time. For example, the payee, category, and memo often remain consistent. If something changes from cycle to cycle, such as a variable amount, you can still set up the template with the parts that won't change and adjust the specifics later when needed. Once those details look right, look to the bottom of the transaction window and click Make Recurring. This opens the recurring transaction template based on what you just entered. Here, you'll edit and create your template. Give it a clear name you'll recognize later. Then set the interval of the recurrence. Choose how often it should repeat, daily, weekly, monthly, or another schedule, and specify the exact timing, like the day of the week or the date of the month. You can also set a start date and, if applicable, an end date or number of occurrences. Take a moment to double-check amounts, accounts, and any memos so each future transaction posts exactly as expected. When everything is set, click Save Template. That's it. QuickBooks will use your template and the schedule you chose to create those transactions automatically, following the details you provided. To recap, you clicked New, selected your transaction type, completed the details, chose Make Recurring, filled in the template with a sensible schedule, and saved it. With that, your routine bookkeeping becomes more reliable and hands-off. If you ever need to update the details or pause the schedule, you can come back to the same transaction and adjust the template later. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the time you'll save with recurring transactions in QuickBooks Online.